Holyport, come on! Go on, Ian. Oh, bad luck, Ian. Keep going, Ian. No cross. No cross. Going. Strike it. Go on, Ian.
Time. Hook up.
Squeeze. 18. Right. There goes. Right. Come on. Go far! Go on, Garry!
Stand him, Chris!
So, Tally, very disappointed at the end, having come back.
Yeah, it was, to be quite honest here, but it was definitely a game of, you know, whoever took their chances the most, to be quite honest with you. I mean, I felt we should have been 4-0 up in the first 10 minutes of the game. And then obviously they grew into the game. But, you know, we looked a little bit fragile tonight in certain situations, which I wasn't too happy about. But there you go, you know, it's, at least it wasn't a valuable league game. You know, that's the only consolation we can take out of it.
So after letting a couple of goals in, coming back to 2-2, you'd have thought we might have gone on and...
yeah, we showed a bit of character to do that and come back 2-2, but our defending from set pieces tonight was really poor. You know, I know we didn't have Garry in the team, but you know, people weren't taking responsibility. I mean, their winning goal was a bit of a joke goal, to be quite honest with you. You know, we shouldn't be conceding goals like that. You know, a team like us. And to be fair, we don't normally concede goals like that. In fact, all 3 goals were just error-strewn mistakes. You know, the goalkeeper for the first one, Pear and Ryan making a hash of things for the second one, and then the third one, I just don't think our centre-halves dealt with just a speculative ball into the box.
So, forgetting that one and moving on, back to the league on Saturday, Oxford City.
Yeah.
Any big worries injury-wise for that?
But obviously, Pear's a worry now. You know, we've got enough quality to cope without him for a little while. I'm quite possibly going to bring a specialist left back into the team for Saturday. I.e., probably be Fenners. We're going to need his pace and his power and his bit of experience, I think, to see us over the line for the last few games. Obviously Gary's going to come back into the back four as well, our captain, who was missing tonight. But you know, I'm not going to give any excuses out about losing tonight. We got you know, we lost fair and square, and we just got to take it on the chin and move on now to the next game. And we know it's going to be a tough game at Oxford, but like you said, it's we've got a lot of players that have got to come back in, and hopefully we can improve Saturday.
Okay. Thanks for that.